Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Nine of Moons in reverse, Lady of Suns in reverse, and Ace of Moons in reverse. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, you feel really lost, sad or stressed over something. Maybe something is bothering you. You are thinking about your past. You are worried about what happened in your life. And you feel stuck, unable to move forward, unable to let go all that negative emotions, hurt, whatever you had, whatever you felt. And you are a person who just talks to everyone freely. So whatever comes to your mind, you just blurt it out. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe in this relationship, you are speaking so freely. Maybe the past relationship has taught you certain lessons, so you just don't want to hold anything back. You want this person to know what you truly feel, what you want to tell them today. So you are just speaking your mind, whatever comes into your mind. But maybe sometimes that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship. Maybe this person may feel a lot hurt or bad because of the way you are speaking. And your words are not something they can forget. So a lot of things in this relationship, a lot of circumstances, and maybe they may feel that they need to be really careful with you. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe this person is scared or they are afraid to talk to you, or they are afraid to tell you something because they feel that you may talk about them to others, talk about their secrets to others, reveal their secrets. So they have a lot of fear towards you, Scorpios. And fear is a base for argument or misunderstanding in this relationship. And if you are thinking of a deep, meaningful relationship with this person, instead of just speaking the plain truth, you must be able to, tell them whatever you want to tell them in a much peaceful way, in using words that may not hurt them. So, speaking plain truth is not helping this relationship. Scorpios. So, you need to take care of that. You need to go for a much atoned way of speaking. So let's see what is the card for your. We have Judgment. So with this card in your connection, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So everything is changing. Whatever you feel or whatever has happened, there are changes happening in your circumstances. This person is changing or you are changing, and you are making some important decisions in this relationship based on whatever you feel is the right thing for you or for this love. So that is the energy here with this card for your relationship. So for your career, let's see what is the card. It's Six of Spheres in reverse. So maybe in your work circumstances, there are people against you, people who are really jealous of or greedy of you. So you need to be really careful. So that is the energy here with these cards, Scorpios. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, Victory of Miriam. So with this card in your circumstances today, this is a very special card, guys. It comes with an amazing message. So every challenge or adventure you are facing in your life is here to just test you, and it is here to make you understand the truth what you are. So every bird needs space and an open sky to fly, and every tiger needs that hunger that is going to drive her to fulfill her being, live her nature. The same way, you need to realize your divine nature, your holy expression of that greatest love each and every one of us have. And life is providing us to make our needs be met. So that is the energy here with this card, and this card also brings you comfort and guidance in understanding that whatever we are going through, maybe circumstances may bring us happiness, certain circumstances may bring us struggle, a lot of sadness, but whatever is happening because of that divine energy each and every one of us have inside us. So we should not hesitate to trust it. We must embrace it fully, allow things to happen, let things to have its own way. And there is no need to resist any changes happening today. Live life with love and let our circumstances unfold with love. And you are going to succeed. That is also the energy here. All you need to do is just let that success unfold in your life and be part of this loving energy. And you may feel a part of you trying to avoid something painful. You no longer want yourself to go through all that failure and criticism, whatever happened. But you are becoming more optimistic each and every day. You are becoming stronger. You will have that realization deep down in your heart of hearts. And you will feel that sense of achievement. Let anything happen, and you will be stronger no matter what. That is your attitude today. When you have that balance in your heart, it just means that you are having that acceptance for your circumstances. That divine surrender is unfolding in your being. And when that happens, it just means that you are going to reach success in whatever you are thinking or planning. And it is all divine plan unfolding in your life. That is the energy here with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Light Princess and Grounded. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to escape some kind of a negative situation. You are feeling really scared, or you are having a lot of inhibitions to face some emotions, and you just want to stay away from that circumstance and from that people who are creating that circumstance. But sometimes if you want to live authentically, you must take steps to connect with the people who are close to you. It is time for you to be really practical today. See the way you need to live your life, relate to the people who are close to you. That way you will be able to find that true soul connection. So maybe because of the hurt and pain, you just don't want anyone, you just want to stay aloof, you just want to stay alone, and you are considering yourself immune and invulnerable. But that is not reality, guys. So you need to be really grounded, be really practical, and you should not go for escapism and having dreams, just fantasizing about your future without taking steps practically is not going to take you anywhere. So that is the energy here. So it is time for you to give up all your fears, inhibitions, and relate to people, talk to people whom you love, and relate to people with whom you want to have a true connection. When you do that, you will be able to find that true soul mate for you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow.